Oh no. Oh hell no. Bulls, Sharks, semi-finals, Loftus Versfeld, June 7. Oh hell no. Bulls, please do not go back and let a score like this slip through your fingers. Please. I don't want to see a match like this or this coming from you guys. Please. Win this match. This is where it all counts. Get a win. I don't care if it's a 1 point win. I don't care if it has to go to a penalty shootout like the Sharks match yesterday against Munster. You find any way to win, but I don't want to see another score like this or the one before this. Please, Bulls. Just find a way to win. Win this match, Bulls. Come on, it's at Loftus. Yeah, I see you lost, but please win this match.